Blutbad.
Hello, and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the diorama for this photo, which I've entitled "The Doctor is In." I'll also show you how I edited my shot from this to this in Photoshop. For this photo, I used Black Series figures of Dr. Cornelius Evazan and his friend, Ponda Baba. To begin the setup, I placed down a single bathroom tile as my floor surface. For the base of my bacta tank, I used a hose clamp and a blue LED. For the tank itself, I used the water reservoir from my coffee maker. While Aqualish like Ponda Baba are amphibious, I wasn't sure if they would be able to breathe under bacta, so I stuck a rebreather on his face before submerging him. For the back wall, I used a spray-painted egg carton. The operating table is also an egg carton. I placed some props borrowed from other figures to add some clutter to the table before propping a few droid figures just out of frame so that they might look like disembodied arms. A white coroplast board to reflect light, and I'm done setting up the scene. The only thing to add now is some blood, which I use food coloring for. Then I use Dr. Evazan's feet to smear it around a bit. Now that my shot has been captured, it's time to edit. I took two separate exposures so that I could easily remove the figure stand from the tank with a layer mask. Next, I tweaked the perspective a bit and added my adjustment layers. As always, the big three adjustments are levels, then hue and saturation, then color balance. Once the adjustment layers were set up, I cropped the image and edited out all the articulation points in the figures. A few final touch-ups and we have the final image. This is where we started, and this is where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time.